Okay, so some of you for the Marin County presentation wanted to do a slideshow, and I'm going to show you how you can access it at home. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go onto your browser, and you can go onto google.com. And this happens to be the page. You're going to have to sign in with your Google account. So if you need it at home, let me know and I can send it in an email to your parents. So you have to sign in first. And then do you guys see this grid right here? If you click on the grid, it brings up a few different options. You're going to go into your Google Drive, which is this tricolored triangle. Okay. My drive is going to look very similar to your drive. It looks like this. Okay. You're going to go to this word create here. Presentation. Thank you. It's presentation. Okay, thanks. All right, it's called presentation. It's also known as Google Slides. Okay, so it's going to load up and get you to a blank slideshow, kind of how we were doing Keynote slideshow in the lab. It's going to look very similar, okay? And you can choose your theme. I'm just going to go with a light gradient. That way it's not pure white. I'm going to hit my... All right, so now it's kind of like a grayish theme. Okay, so from here you can start adding things, and I thought perhaps at this point in time we can just practice a little bit with taking pictures. Do you guys notice how there's these boxes here? I don't ever like using these. I don't ever like starting with the boxes because I feel like we're limited. If you click on it once, you can delete it. Do you remember how we did that in Keynote? Click on it once, and then just delete it. And it goes away. So we can start fresh and new. First thing you should do is always title your slideshow. So click it. I'm going to call it Class Sample 2015. Just so that we have a little sample of what it's like to use Google Slides. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert that picture. We're going to hit the Insert button and choose Image. And it's going to ask us where it is on our computer. So, oh, you know what? You can either take a snapshot this way or choose an image to upload, whichever you feel is the easiest one you want to do. So since we already did it, I'm going to go ahead and pull it off the desktop since we've already changed the way it looks. And there it is. There's Captain Sparkles. And then you can manipulate the picture any way you want. Make it bigger, make it smaller. And then I want to give it a title. To give it a title, you can use the T for text box right up here. And then you get your little crosshairs, looks like a plus sign, and then you can just start typing right in there. You gotta spell everything right. Oops. Okay. You can also change the font. Oops. Double clicking on it. Maybe put it in the middle if you want to. Okay. To change the font color, it's this one here. Let's make it red. There we go. Okay. So that is just how to make a basic slide by adding pictures and adding a text box. If you want to make more slides, because if you're doing this as part of your Marin County reports, you want to do more slides, you hit your plus button. And then a new slide appears here. And you can go ahead and click and get rid of all the other gobbledygook that you don't need. Bye-bye. And you can even search for pictures. Here's how you do that. Okay. If you go into Image and you go to Search, these are all royalty free. I would say use Google, which is the one that's here. And let's do Harbor Seal. We were studying those before. If you wanted like a picture of the harbor seal, you type it in and hit your button. It's going to come up with a few different ones. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's choose this cute guy and select him. And it'll automatically put it on for you. Okay, this is too big because there's no room to write anything on here, so I'm going to make them smaller. Put them at the top. And you can tell it's in the middle. Let's see. Oh, see how that red line appears? That's how we know it's in the middle. And then we can also use our up buttons to make it go up, down, or whatever. Oops, too far up. And then let's do a quick sentence about it. Oops. Come on. We went, oops, that's spelled right. Went to the Marine, I'm typing faster than my brain, Marine Mammal Center in Sausalito. Okay. Let's put it in the middle. Let's make it bigger. And change the color so it matches the picture. That's prettier. Okay? What do you think?
Yeah.
You guys can handle that? That's Google Slides, okay? If you're doing your Marin County report, don't forget to do, your very last slide should be a sources slide. Okay. Text box. Let's make it big. There it go. There it is. My sources. Okay, to share it, you just hit the share button and type in my address, which should come up, and give me editing privileges. So my name should come up as soon as you share it. It should come up in the box because it's all part of the Google account. And then send it to me. And that's how you would share it. All right.